Albert Einstein died in 1955, but in 2025, NASA heard him speak again, not through words, but through the fabric of the universe itself, a ripple, a whisper, from across time and space, something Einstein predicted over a century ago, something once thought impossible to witness, was just detected by NASA, and now, it's changing everything we thought we knew about gravity, black holes, time, and even reality. Before we dive into what NASA found, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks space is silent and predictable, because what you're about to hear is the sound of Einstein being proven right, and the universe being turned inside out. In 1915, Albert Einstein published the general theory of relativity. It was bold, it was beautiful, and it redefined gravity forever. Instead of a mysterious invisible force, Einstein proposed something radical, that gravity is the curvature of space and time itself. Massive objects, he said, don't just sit in space, they bend it, and when they move, they don't just move through space, they ripple it. He called them gravitational waves, but for decades, it was just a theory, because no one, not even Einstein, believed we'd ever detect them. The ripples were thought to be too small, too subtle, too faint to ever be measured, until now. In 2015, exactly 100 years after Einstein's theory, NASA-supported scientists at LIGO detected the unthinkable. Two black holes collided 1.3 billion light-years away, and Earth trembled, not with sound, but with space itself. The LIGO Observatory, a pair of laser beams stretched across for kilometers in the US, measured a ripple in space-time just 1,000th the width of a proton, but it was real, and it matched Einstein's predictions with stunning precision. Since then, NASA and its partners have confirmed dozens more. From neutron star crashes to cosmic mergers, space is not silent, it sings, and its song matches Einstein's music. But in 2023, NASA made a discovery even deeper, a discovery not just of waves, but of background hum, like the deep bass beneath all existence. They called it the gravitational wave background, and it could rewrite our understanding of the entire universe. What NASA detected isn't just noise, it's ancient memory, gravitational echoes from the birth of the universe, black holes merging in distant galaxies, and maybe even collisions of dark matter we've never seen. Einstein's theory predicted these ripples, but now, we're learning to listen to them. And they are telling us something profound. Space is not empty. Time is not steady. And reality itself is alive with motion. Imagine every moment of your life, your body, your thoughts, your dreams, happening inside a moving, rippling fabric. That's the universe, and every movement of mass, every supernova, every black hole, sends waves through that fabric that we can now recur, like cosmic fingerprints, or whispers from creation itself. But here's where things get stranger. These waves travel at the speed of light. They pass through everything. Matter, planets, even you, unnoticed. But their information is pure, untouched, and ancient. NASA scientists are now exploring something radical. Can gravitational waves give us access to before the Big Bang? Because light can't. Our telescopes can only see 13.8 billion years back. Beyond that, darkness. But gravitational waves may come from beyond the veil. They may carry signatures from other universes, or evidence of cosmic strings, remnants from the earliest moments of time. Einstein never lived to hear this, but his equations spoke it, and now, NASA is decoding the messages. So what does this mean for us, for science, for humanity? For one, it proves that Einstein's vision of the cosmos was more accurate than any before it, but more importantly, it opens a new era in astronomy, one not based on sight, but on sound, on feeling. This is the age of gravitational wave astronomy, a completely new way of sensing the universe. NASA is now building next-generation detectors, like the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, or LISA, which will orbit Earth and listen for even deeper, older, stranger waves. We will no longer just see the universe, we will hear it, touch it, decode it, and maybe speak back, because if gravitational waves can carry messages across time and space, what else can they carry? The fingerprints of alien civilizations, the story of a collapsing dimension, or the proof that time itself loops? We don't know yet, but beyond the physics, there's something more. Einstein wasn't just a scientist, he was a philosopher. He believed the universe wasn't just knowable, it was meaningful. He once said, "The most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible." And now, with NASA confirming the faintest tremors of spacetime, we realize just how right he was. Even from 1.3 billion light-years away, we can still hear the past, we can still understand the invisible, we can still connect, in a time when humanity feels lost, divided, nosy. The universe gives us a rhythm, and Einstein gives us the math to hear it. So the next time you look at the stars, remember, you're not just seeing light, you're standing on a drumskin of reality. And somewhere, billions of light-years away, something just struck it, and that wave is moving toward you. Albert Einstein once imagined such a universe, NASA just proved it. And we are only beginning to understand what it means. So ask yourself, if space itself can carry memory, what are we leaving behind? If time is not a straight line, what future might be echoing back toward us? And if Einstein could see this coming 100 years ago, what should we be seeing now? Like this video if you believe wonder is not dead. Share it if you believe science still has poetry. And subscribe if you want more truths whispered by the stars, because the universe is speaking, and it's time we learn to listen.